Ever wonder how to train, validate, and deploy a recommendation system in Python? Today I'll guide you through a complete workflow using PyTorch. This is the sixth video in our series on building a recommendation system using Python, PyTorch, and Pandas libraries. Let's first import the needed libraries. PyTorch is the deep learning library being used to build and train the recommendation system. From the file data loader, we import user item rating dataset. This class handles loading and preprocessing the user item rating data for training and validation. From the model, we import matrix factorization. Matrix factorization class defines the recommendation model architecture. From the trainer, we import the trainer class, which encapsulates the training and validation logic. From the recommender, we import the recommender class, which is responsible for generating recommendations. And from utils, we import save model and load model functions for saving and reloading the model. Our next step is to create the main function. And first we use user item rating dataset to load our dataset. It splits the data into training and validation sets and creates the data loaders for efficient batch processing. Next, we define the recommendation model. The matrix factorization class creates embeddings for users and items, which are then used to predict ratings. The trainer class handles the training and validation process. Here we train the model for 10 epochs with a learning rate of 0.01 and validate it after training. After training, we save the model using save model function so that we can reuse it without training. Later, we load the same model for making recommendations. Finally, the recommender class generates recommendations for a user. In this example, we request 5 recommendations for user ID 0. This ensures the main function runs only when the script is executed directly, not when imported as a module. You can execute this script to train the model, validate it, and get recommendations for any user in your dataset. This script demonstrates the core steps in building a recommendation system: data loading, training, saving, and making predictions. It's a modular, reusable, and ready for real-world applications. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts and questions. Let's continue learning together.